It's frustrating, watching your plants struggle, even when you water and feed them. But what if the real problem is the soil, and you could fix it in just 21 days, using a jar? This is indoor composting made simple. No smell, no mess. Just rich living soil your houseplants will love. Start with a clean jar. Add a thin layer of browns, shredded cardboard, paper, or dry leaves. This keeps the compost airy and prevents sour smells. Add chopped fruit peels, vegetables, coffee grounds, or tea leaves. These greens feed the microbes that transform scraps into real soil. Always cover greens with another layer of browns. This traps moisture, controls odors, and keeps decomposition clean and even. Sprinkle a little water. Just enough to make the mix lightly damp, never wet. Moisture activates the microbes. Close the jar loosely. Give it a gentle shake every few days to oxygenate and mix the layers. In 21 days, scraps turn into dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich compost. You don't need a backyard or a giant compost bin. With a jar, your kitchen scraps, and a little patience, you can make powerful indoor compost that helps your plants grow stronger than ever.